Hello again, everybody. Doing here from DRFX Forex Trading. Going to be taking a look at the trade setup that could provide us with a trading opportunity for the pound US dollar in the next couple of hours. Taking a look at the daily chart, we can see that the market is in the process of providing us with a breakout candle signal following this signal here that was part of a U-turn that tested the broken support boundary of this pennant. So assuming that the market closes as is with this strong candle in the next couple of hours, it can provide us with a trading opportunity as long as the signals and the setup on the 4-hour chart can provide us with a good entry setup. So essentially what we're doing is breaking out of this, continuing the breakout from this pennant setup, which follows the formation of two previous pennant consolidations that were formed, as you can see here. Now the overall context of this setup is that of a breakout from a much larger pennant consolidation setup. Here you can see that this is we're actually breaking out of this large pennant consolidation that was formed between 2008 and 2014. As you can see here, the market initially attempted to break out and provided significant gains for the US dollar up to this area here. Since then, the market pulled back sharply towards the support boundary once again and formed this first pennant consolidation. Gradually, over the course of the next couple of months, the market gradually started to U-turn to resume the breakout in favor of the US dollar. So the formation and the breaks of these pennant consolidations are basically forming part of that U-turn to continue the breakout in favor of the US dollar. So this third consolidation that is being broken now appears to be the one that is going to continue the breakout in favor of the US dollar at a much faster pace. So right now, assuming that the market continues lower, it is likely to continue to break out in terms of in favor of the US dollar and provide us with several hundred pips in possible trading gains. So in terms of our trading targets, since we're breaking out of consolidation formations, since we have 3 consolidation setups, each of them has their respective breakout equivalent targets. So our trading target would be in the context or within the context of those trading targets. So based on how we measure the targets for these pennants, the first breakout equivalent target that would be hit would be at 145.62, which would correspond to the breakout equivalent for this second pennant. So our trading target would have to consider this first breakout equivalent as a possible profit taking area, assuming that once it hits this area, it could pull back. So the second one, or the next target, would actually be the breakout equivalent of this first pennant that was broken. So assuming that the market breaks below this area here after a brief pullback, it will then head towards this second breakout equivalent target. The third one would be for this most recent pennant setup, and that would be at the 142.03 area. So assuming that the market breaks below this first and the second, its ultimate target over the next couple of months is going to be at the 142.03 area. So approximately 500 pips in potential trading opportunities and trading gains are on offer on this pair, assuming that the market closes with a strong signal and that the market responds to this signal by continuing lower. So that is the overall setup for this trading opportunity that could present itself over the next couple of hours. So we're going to have to wait until this candle is closed. Then we're going to analyze the 4-hour chart with respect to the trade sheet that we use and the rules that we use for this type of breakout. Based on the types of candles that I'm seeing, the breakout that is going to be done is going to be of the slow type with slow daily chart candles. So there are rules with respect to trading these types of breakouts that you will see in this trade sheet. So as long as the rules that are within this trade sheet essentially give us the go ahead to trade this opportunity, then we can take advantage of it and set up our trade and take advantage of it. So in the next couple of hours, we're gonna wait to see if the market closes with this candle, and then assuming that all the elements of the trade um, give us a green light, then I'm gonna send you a trade setup to take advantage of this trade. So until then, take care.